Okay, so right now we're pretty much prepared. I'm coming over. I want to turn this on forward, so I'm looking at forwards. I'm looking at my cutter. Cutter's on, it's going in forwards, and we're doing about 6, that's plenty. And we're going to come over the work. I'm going to raise the table up until it just touches. This is just touching. I'm going to come off the work. Set my knee to 0. And because I'm using my lawn feed, I'm going to lock my traverse, which is over here. I'm locking the traverse. I don't need to move in and out. I just need to move over the lawn feed. And I want to take a 30,000 step to cut, so I'm going to come up 30. 10, 20, 30 for right now. I'm going to come over and lock the knee. You have knee sag. So when you lock that, it pulls it up. Repeatability. Take the handle, reverse the handle for the moment. And we have an automatic, or we can go by hand. We're roughing right now, 30,000 speed rate. Well, 30,000 step to cut. I want to take off another 30,000s. I'm going to unlock the knee, come over, go from 30 to 60, coming up. Lock the knee, and I'm going to come back across. We have an automatic feed. I could have used it for roughing. I prefer to go by hand just to see how it feels, see if everything's okay. The cutter, everything seems to be fine. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come up with 10,000 final machine surface on this side. We're going to come on the other side to remove the mallets of the material to get the dimension. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to go for another 10,000. Loosen the knee. Come up 10. Tighten the knee, and I'm going to do a finish pass, and I have the automatic. Go. And we're set to this speed. This looks good. Okay. And we're set. Everything should be pretty good. And the automatic is going, and we should just about start to touch about now. In fact, I also may want to give it a little bit of lubrication here. And I can increase my feed rate. Everything looks good. Gently. Halfway through, things look really super good. Nice finish. And when this does finish, we're going to remove it, get rid of the bars, rotate it 180 degrees, and do the other side and bring in the dimension. We're almost there. Stop the machine, raise the quill, and let me get rid of these chips here, and I would be careful. Okay, now, looks really nice, finishes super. What we're going to do right now is, I want to bring the block out a little bit, and the reason I'm doing this is, I need to, being as the vise is holding apart, it would be kind of nice to use the vise to hold it for you. And if you're careful enough, you can get rid of the bars. Beautiful. And this side here. Okay, 2 more sides and we're done. Good. Okay, looking good. Now we'll take this out and clean this up. And we want to get the other side to the dimension. Now what we need to do is we'll take our caliper or micrometer. In this case we need a 2 to 3, but we use the caliper. Tolerance dictates it. And we're looking at, we need another, we want to get to this dimension, 2 2/4. We want to go another 20 thousandths or so to get there, and we'll be okay. So this is square, and to double check this with a machinist square, it looks really good. Awesome, nice, very good. And we're going to put this in, and it should be nice and square. And let's see here, okay. Hold this down, tighten her up, and we're going to come back over again. We'll loosen our knee, and we have our quill ready to come down, and we're going to come over a little bit, and we'll turn the sucker on. Get it close, lock the quill, come back over. We said we wanted to take off about 20 thousandths. So we'll come up until we just touch. Set our 0. And come off the work. Come up 20. Well, if you're going to finish in 20, we'll come up 15 and leave 5 for finishing. How's that? Lock the quill, lock the knee, lock the quill, and we're going to make our cut. I'll come over this way as you can see. Good. Okay. Another 5,000 should bring us into size, and loosen we want to loosen the knee and bring this up 5 thousandths and lock it. We'll use our automatic again. We'll give it a little bit of coolant, little oil up there. Looking good. Alright. Stop our feed. Stop the machine. Loosen the quill, bring her up. And we have a nice machine surface. And it should be to size. We're going to check that out right now. Move our work. It has burrs on it, but I'm going to do it a different way. They're light burrs. And I just want to spot check the dimension. And the dimension looks right on the money. Good. Beautiful. Right on the money, parallel. Dead on. Excellent. Now we have these burrs. Another little trick I like to use, especially on light burrs, is instead of using the file loose, lock the file down and just kind of like drag the work over it gently. At 45. And that's pretty good. We got them nice and clean. Okay, what we're going to do now is we want to hold on our work, and we're going to mill this groove in. And we need to replace that shell mill with our cutter. It seems to be a 5/16 cutter. We can spot check that. We could use any size cutter, yeah. We're looking at 312, very good. And it looks pretty good by inspection, so we need to replace